Today we're going to talk about adjusting the suspension settings in a new Macan electric. To do so, you'll go to Car, and you can see Chassis and Level. Chassis is the stiffness that you feel, and Level is how you raise and lower the suspension. Let's take a look at Chassis. There's Normal, which you would use in normal day-to-day driving, Sport, which is going to be just a little bit stiffer, dampening, and then Sport Plus, which is almost a racetrack level dampening. You can select those by touching the dot. You can also adjust the height. You can go lowered or even low. If you would like to lift the vehicle, select Lift. And here you have Save Smart Lift Position. Now what this is for is something like a railroad track that you go over frequently. So it will remember via GPS where that location is and lift automatically if you're below a certain speed. Now, if we are in Normal, Sport, and Sport Plus, these are the options available. However, if we change our mode to Off-Road, there are two different levels as well. We have Off-Road 1 and then Off-Road 2, which is even higher if you need just a little bit more ground clearance. Here you can see the icons over here on the instrument cluster, and right now we're in Off-Road 2. Now I'm going to select Off-Road 1, and you'll notice it'll start blinking. It'll basically blink until we reach the desired height for that particular mode, and then it will go solid again. Now you can adjust the suspension settings in your new Macan electric.